Hello everyone. This is the fifth video in our series on upskilling for the AI era. Till now, we've already covered the IT engineers, the non IT engineers, the ML engineers, data scientists, and also those who've been working in the retail sector as to what they need to do to upskill in their respective areas of work. Today, let us talk about the HR professionals because the generative AI is also reshaping their world. So, whether you are an HR business partner, you are a recruiter, you've been working on policies or on compensation and benefit, your world is also evolving, and so is your role. AI is already automating your routine tasks. It is writing your policies. It is generating your reports. It is also analyzing your employee data and even screening your resumes. But that doesn't mean that HR is becoming any less human. In fact, it is the opposite. As AI takes over all your repetitive jobs, the human side of HR, that is empathy, strategy, judgment, and leadership, is becoming more important than ever. So, how do you stay ahead? It's only by upskilling. And there are six key areas in which you need to work and upskill. First, you need to be AI literate as well as you need to be tool proficient. You don't need to become a coder or you don't need to become a data scientist, but you do need to understand how AI works in your area, that is the HR, how it screens resumes, how it generates job ads, how it analyzes engagement data. You should know how to use tools like, say, ChatGPT, Workday, Success Factors, or Eightfold. And yes, you need to learn the basics of prompt engineering. Remember, the better your prompt, the better your AI output. Second, you need to focus on your strategic thinking and develop business acumen. As AI takes care of all your routine operational stuff, your value actually lies in aligning with business goals. Can you lead a change initiative? Can you help your leaders understand workforce insights which are generated by the AI? Can you tie or align your compensation strategy with your company's performance? Well, that is where strategic muscle has to be built by the HR now. The third area where you need to work is you need to double down on emotional intelligence. AI cannot build trust. It can resolve conflicts, but it doesn't understand workplace culture, politics, or individual contexts. So, whether you are dealing with a job loss anxiety, or you are dealing with employee disputes, or any inclusion concerns, this is where you as an HR has to work and shine. The fourth area is you need to learn ethics, biases, and compliances in AI. Just because AI is recommended something to you, it doesn't mean that what it's saying is right or what's saying is legal. You need to understand how you have to spot the bias in AI driven decisions. All decisions given by the AI may not be correct. You need to ensure compliances with laws, for example, GDPR or India's new DPDP Act. You need to be working on these and you need to learn about these laws. This is especially crucial for DI specialists, comp and benefit teams, as well as all policymakers. The fifth area that you have to work on is you need to build deep uh, human and domain expertise. AI can analyze data, but it cannot interpret every nuance of your industry. You have to understand the context. You will need to validate AI insights, challenge them if you feel that there is something wrong, and apply them intelligently and meaningfully. This is true for SMEs, total reward specialists, and any person who is designing policy or compensation strategy. So you need to be upfront working on these kind of things. And the sixth one is, don't forget project management and technological implementations. HR will increasingly lead the adoption of AI tools. You need will be working on selection of vendors, training your teams, managing changes through the AI. So knowing how to run an agile HR technical project and negotiate with AI vendors is going to be a real asset for you all. So where do you start? Well, first, assess where you stand. Tools like SHRM's competency model or LinkedIn's skill insights can help you. Second, take action. Use Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, edX. Many of these platforms offer low cost or even free training. So use them. Third, try things. Use ChatGPT to draft your policies, use data dashboards, and play with prompts. And finally, you need to stay connected. Join HR forums, networks, and attend conferences. Get used to the HR industry as such and get the updates from them because this space is evolving fast. So let's be clear, AI is not here to replace you as an HR, it's here to reshape your work. And the professionals who will thrive are the ones who combine AI fluency with strategic vision and human touch. Thanks for watching this video. And if you want any more details for your specific HR role, or do you need any kind of a help in finding the right upskilling resources, drop in a comment or reach out to me. Let's make HR future ready and let's do it together. Thanks for watching.